Okay, student. Now I will train you to use kids typing. This is a website that I already told you last week. Go ahead, click your browser and type www.kidstype.com and enter. This is the dashboard of the website going to be. In top navigation menu, there is a home, games, lesson, exercise, practice, finger chart, and contact us. We are going to know more about the finger chart. Here is the chart. The keyboard, which are indicated by black color, are the home keys. I think we can skip step 1 and step 2 because we already learned about it last week. And now the step 3, home row key. You can see this chart describes more details about home row key. Each finger responsible for different keys. Top row key. Q, W, E, R on the left hand are top row keys. U, I, O, P on the right hand are also top row keys. The opposite of top row key is bottom row key. Z, X, C, V on the left hand are bottom row key. And on the right hand, M, less than, bigger than, and question are bottom row keys. Students, you don't have to remember all these keys with your brain. You just have to practice them all with your fingers. Then your finger will memorize them all and it will be coming automatically. You can type automatically without thinking. And now we will learn the most exciting part of the lessons, the games. Click games. It's loading now. You can see in this website there are so many games that you can choose and try without having to pay for. For example, Vampire Hunter. This is very easy and fun to play. Let's try it. Click Vampire Hunter. It's loading now. This game sponsored by typedojo.com. Okay. Just click start button. You select your hero. I choose this one. There are 4 options show up. All you need to do is choose one of them. In this case, I will choose the easiest one, which is the home row. The rule of the game is you must destroy all vampire using your keyboard skill. And you have blood here. And when the blood is running out, you are game over. Click play again. Let's play now. Okay. Sometimes we must type 2 letters or 3 letters. Keep your eyes open. When I type the letter on the same file which has the same letter as I type will disappear. They are gone. Your job is to eliminate them all as much as you can. If you pay attention more to this game, all letters that you must type are the home row keys. Because few minutes ago, we choose the home row key as the option. Oh, game over. Now I'm gonna show you the second games, which I think it's easy and fun as well. Typing card writer. Click games. Click typing card writer. This is a car race. Let me show you how it works. Click on the game or click start and select your team. There are also 4 options that suit your needs. I think I'll pick the easiest one, which is the home row. The rule of this game is, if you want to move your card left or right, you must type the correct letter which is indicated on each card. You will notice that each letter on each card dynamically changes. Because of that, your typing for both moving to the left or right will change either. Let's play again. A, K, L, F, D, let's play again. It's a little bit harder than the game before because the letter is dynamically changed. Oh. 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 Game over. To make it more clearance, I will show you one more games. The rule of this game is a little bit different. There are no 4 options that we get used to before. The letter which we have to type comes randomly. What is the game? Here it is. type rocket. The letter which we have to type comes randomly. It can be from the home row key, from the top row key, or from the bottom row key. In my opinion, it's more tough. However, by time goes on, you will get used to. Let's get started. After the clicking game, you might choose the easy one. Type the letters on the rocket. Because we choose the easy level, the rocket comes very slowly, but it has randomly letters. Type O, type J, type I, and so on and so forth. Okay. I think it's enough for the example. I hope it can describe how it's gonna work. The other games also have almost the same way, just like we did in this game. It's a lot of fun too. Okay students, you can explore the website and the game as well, because learn from the game is a lot of fun and more efficient. You don't need to push yourself beyond the limit because you're enjoying it. Okay, that's all I have for you today. We'll see you next week. See ya!